I don't enter to stay because people want to go to America. I went to war. I am not a man that celebrates lives or luxury or enter to a country and celebrate the country. Never. I want to let you to know I can go to any place. And we shall make sure we build our nation. No place like your country. What Nigeria have, America don't have it. But because consumers and people that don't know what they call leaderships take over the government and they are building their businesses and not to lead the people. All these people that don't know what is leadership that call themselves our leader. Fajo obodo Igbo to Africa siaga. Ofode jegeba abilizie ekpo you say I'm in America. Senator, where are you? I'm in America. I will come back in December and I don't think I will come back close time. Governor, how are you? I just traveled to America. What is in America? That is people that don't know. That is why we cannot put our country in order. Because we are too carried away by the things that we can never stay forever with it. If our leaders are the people that have conscience, they know the hunger that is killing their children in this country. The food are keeping on going higher. The costly of food items. Nobody cares. The only thing they care is for another. You will go to second tenor. You will go to second tenor. In that your first tenor, what have you done in your first tenor? What change have you brought to the country? What are the people celebrating you for? Or rather, people are calling you names and getting angry and laying curse upon you. That is why check in all the leaders of this country in the past. Go to many of their families. Many of their children are in problems. Those families are forgotten by people. People never even associate with them. I may go to many calls. Our new generation, we are coming for you. Nigeria, we are coming for you. All the bad leaders in Nigeria, they're making noise everywhere. Heaven is coming for you all. We are coming for you. And the whole Nigerians are coming for you all. And a very great revolution that will cause a lot of riot is coming to Nigeria. The politicians is a revelation. You make so much noise without any proof in your governments. There is a massacre killings everywhere in Nigeria. No good security. No security. No 24 hours lights. No job. And you are talking as a politician. What are you talking about? Who are the people listening to your jargons? This is a modern world. Every country are trying possible best to change everything that is old patterns so that the new generation of their children will have a hope. I have always said this. No job for the sons and daughters of Nigerians. No 24 hours light. No good load. No security. Look at what happened in Kogi there. And people are carrying siren. Say, I'm a minister of this one. I'm a leader, president of Nigeria. No. I am a father. And I'm a father with conscience. We can't live here forever. And we must to, in the time that God give us chance in positions that we find ourselves, let us put a mark of a history that generation will never be forgotten. I changed my ticket because I know that something is going wrong. Anytime I leave Nigeria, something tragedy must happen. Ask questions. Look at how masses of people were slaughtered. Who are the people that are doing this? These people that are killed are human beings because there is no good leadership, because there is no good government, because nobody cares. The government have their own personal security that guide them. What of the people that you are lulling? What of the people you are trying to vote for you? Selfishness. I'm a prophet, and anything I cannot say, God shall hold me responsible. And 2027, I'll get Tenure power. Anytime I am discussing with God, if God bring your name on the table of Santun Sanatoria on a citadel, sorry. I am not a man of stories. I'm a man of power. I have never done fake miracle. I have never deceived anybody. Everything I do is pure and clear. And I'm sure your victory started today.